Alright, here's a couple of great orange ones with a whole lot more coming. Hard to believe how sweet these are. You look in here, here's one. I'm hoping this cluster here is showing. Maybe we have to go in and spray for the mosquitoes because there is no shortage of them. When we were little, mosquitoes were a nighttime thing. Now we got the mosquitoes that are out in the daytime. As we come a little further down, start to pick up some bell peppers. This is a natural jalapeno, a not hot jalapeno pepper. Next to a red lunchbox. This lunchbox is just incredibly prolific. Okay, now we move up the road to here. We'll start off with that guy. And that one. And we will move up again, up here to the front couple. Very, very nice pepper. We'll take these. Another beautiful. Is that a beautiful pepper? This is a Better Bell. Highly recommended for this area. I've grown it here for 3 years. All 3 years, been an outstanding bell pepper. Good producer, stands up to the heat. Now as I look way over here in the back, I can see some more orange peppers waiting for us, so we'll move back there. Alright, here's more orange ones. Very small seed cavity, very few seeds, almost all just delicious, super sweet peppers. Now over here getting swamped away from the sweet potatoes is my poblano. Maybe getting eaten up with the sweet potatoes, but it is sure making poblanos for me. Okay, I just picked that many poblanos. That's, oh, I see one more gigantic one over there. Somewhere in here there's a bell pepper over here, and that other big poblano. And the Haas box is full. Time to go get the Haas box into the cool and give me another container and keep picking. Here's the day's picking, the totals. We tried to lay them out, but they're about 5-6 deep here. And then we just gave up on the Romas and the other tomatoes and just put them in this. As you can see, this is a really big basket, and it is completely full. So we're doing this about every third day, I guess. We'll have the freezer, well, the freezers are full, but they're about to get even fuller. So the gardening is not over. I don't care if it is August 19th and the thermometer will be pushing 100 degrees before long. This is David at Grow and Eat This. Thank you for watching.